morning, guys. Today is officially road march day, jump up day. Been talking about this on my channel for centuries. Yeah, so of course I'm gonna be vlogging it again this year. I'm gonna have to edit that license plate out. So been talking about this for my channel for since last year, since January, saying, oh, we need to get the body right, da 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 da. My body did not happen, by the way. Surprise, surprise. So yeah, but I'm not jumping in a fancy costume this year because I personally thought the costumes were overpriced and my paycheck, my work fee, you understand, it not come free. So yeah, so this is the hairstyle that we're gonna be rocking this year for Carnival. Me and my sister did this yesterday. It's super long, like to my hip. I really wanted it long, you know, that it's hippie braids. I feel like they're super on trend right now and cute. And of course, Keeners. My hair isn't completely finished. I'm still gonna be adding like jump rings and a few stuff, just, you know, to play it up. And then I'm wearing silver and red, so I added some silver and red stuff. Well, you can't see the silver now. Stuff to it. Yes, the silver here. Some cords and beads. Yeah, so you guys will see me next when I am done getting ready, because as of right now I'm kind of late, you know, typical Chantal fashion, late. So I'm just gonna go and get ready now. Oh, so this year I'm jumping with Exodus, and this year in Jamaica we have 4 different road marches, 4 different carnivals. We have Jamaica Carnival, Bacchanal Jamaica, which is the one that I normally jump with. We have Exodus, and we have Jamaica. And as I said, this year I'm jumping with Exodus, so hopefully they come correct and everything works out. So guys, I gotta go get ready, so I'll see you in a few. Well, you're gonna see me in like 2 seconds, but you know, gonna get ready. You'll see me when I'm dolled up and my forehead isn't. So this hairstyle just magnifies my forehead. I always tell you guys, my forehead big, you know, like look at 4 fingers. Oh my god, there's like room for 2 more. I'm a 6-head dog. All right, bye. Hey guys, so I don't want to say hey guys in between these vlogs. I hate when people do that, but still I'm just showing you guys where I am in my getting ready process. So I'm almost through with my face. I'm finishing up my eyes, and then I'm gonna highlight the shit out of me, put on some lip and so so this is where we are, guys. Of course I am recording this entire process, so you guys can look out for that get ready with me, because it's gonna be up, it's gonna be live. Yes, I really like my hair, you know, like, yeah guys, come to my salon. I'm not charging no $10,000 for sewing and braid and so just look of it. Anyways, so I have to finish getting ready now. This eyelash is so botched, like, so this one just go and this one is like, but you know, we have to take one life at a time because I'm already late, so gotta get going. Alright guys, so I'll show you guys, come back when I'm ready. Okay, it's jump up time. Finally. So we're at Candice's house and we're all ready. Candice had to go back for some things that I can't say in the vlog because we might get locked up for it, I think. I said go. Yeah, so this is Jody. You guys have never seen Jody on the vlog. Yeah, so this is Jody. Shanika, which part she gone? Shanika is over here. Say hey boo.
Hey boo.
A long time you not come on this, you know? We should do a new video.
We should. I'm ready for that.
So we don't know where Jody's band is because she's not jumping in the same band as us. She's jumping with Bacchanal. She don't know where the band is. So we're trying to figure out where her band is, and then we can go. But I think our band walk past now. It's not like them at the end now, though. Because when I was coming, they were at the top of the road.
But to be our band, because we wouldn't know where to find them if that's.
They might go to lunch stop now, so I would have ordered them. I go.
Oh yeah, we always reach at lunchtime apparently.
Always. Like last year we join at lunch, but that we work out for it again because we are dead for hungry.
Ready? We're dying for hunger now.
Candice, tell the people hi.
Hi people.
Yes, so we're gonna try to find the march now. Alright, every year we can't find the band. So we find Jody band.
We're not forever late.
We're forever late.
They are forever late.
There's no doubt
about
about
it. I am the early one, okay?
Because you don't do nothing.
I've been waiting for 2 hours for these people.
You don't do nothing.
Anything.
You haven't been waiting for 2 hours because when I came your makeup still never done.
We can't
So this is the road march behind me. I'm kind of far from it because we're walking in the other direction because we never reach it because we start backing up, but we never figure it was in front of it. So that's them. You can't really see nothing, but they're in front of us, so we're gonna go eat. We're gonna try to go inside and eat. But never that for hot, so God no. Alright, so nobody's here yet, so we don't really know what I want. At this point, we're real confused. Are you the lady wanting a picture? So nobody not there yet. May I take some soup? I'm hungry now.
Sorry, we just early?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, because I'm like, I still gotta get dressed. I'm late as shit.
Hello, the band don't reach. No, nobody else not come. Okay, so we're early. I don't know what I want. What kind of soup?
Chicken and seafood.
Seafood meaning just crayfish or seafood meaning real seafood, like more than one
Can I have a
fish?
seafood?
Just shrimp.
Oh, that's right here.
Yeah, me want the seafood, please and thanks. So we're early, but this don't make no sense. So how can they say we in front of them? That means we're not in front of them. Anyways, I'm hungry, so I'm in a business right now. All the better, there will be no line for foods.
That's a really smart idea.
What?
To come just at lunchtime.
To come just at lunchtime?
Before the party.
Let's just say we planned it.
Have seafood at home.
So this is the setup for food. You have Italian over here, the Italian station, express food. You have Jamaican food here, and all the white people are right there. Just want to point that out. And vegetarian food, and then the Chinese food, which is where these guys are. So I'm just gonna follow. The restroom is here. So the setup is nice. The setup facilitates less lines. So I'm about to get
Jamaican.
All right, so we'll call it the Jamaican food, and we're sitting right beside the fans. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry, but right here, my hats. So we're trying to cool down. So I'm showing you the food. Look on the screen, you can see it.
The curry goat is really, really spicy. I haven't had the jerk chicken yet, but the curry goat, I can't handle spice.
So we're going the express line, and it gives us curry goat, chicken, and pasta with rice and peas together. So that's what we'll get. So Candy said the curry goat spicy, and you know me like pepper already, so me alright with that. So we're gonna eat the food and want to see what I want to chat. So everybody's coming now, so the band finally reached, and there's a bunch of people. And there's a bunch of people just coming in. And I'm really glad we did late, even though we did early. I mean, we did early for this, but we did late because to all line. See, there's no liquor here. That's weird. But there's a long line now for food, so I'm really glad we did reach early. So we eat out to snug and I could one. My friend just come and show me her tan. She's not my complexion, but so she's my complexion. She's no Ken's complexion. Like she properly tan. Everybody face sweat off. Everybody face are round. Like it look like the road as it is. I ain't about that life. Last every year for Carnival I get a tan, and I get a tan, and I have the tan for legit like 10 months. Not about that right now. So the place full up now. You can see some of the costumes. It's the Gold Digger costume. This costume was high bad. Alright, so the lunch stop is finally over. I was recording me interacting with a bunch of people, and the camera never actually record. So I have to try find them back and show them. So we're ready to go back on the road now. In a real life, we're gonna start the road march now.
Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Start a wine, start a wine, start a wine up now because
it's another episode when we out on the road, on the road. Meet me on the road. Every girl just be up yourself and wine. Whining like she's singing. Drop the thing and bounce it.
cause she know how I like.
Give me permission to walk your baby. So leave me alone. I ain't going home.
Wine like you, wine like you, wine. Show them you're young and free, girl. You want to wine.
Drop the thing and bounce it. Make it bubble and touch, touch, touch. You got bubble and touch, 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 touch.
I getting on like I never done a bumper yet.
Free up like you don't business. Baby girl, just free up yourself and mind.
When you give me that fast line, fast line, fast line,
On the road.
fast line, fast line, fast line.
Free up like you don't business.
Baby girl, just free up yourself and
When
mind.
you give me that fast line, fast line, fast line,
On the road.
fast line, fast line, fast line.
Show them how we just jump up. Show them how we just free up, free up.
Now it's like go wrong. Bubble to the baseline, you can't slow down. Girl, you can't sit down. Don't stick now, we can't prolong. You got the realest bumper in this town. It's the way you move it up and down. And the size and the shape is the way that you whine and the jiggle of the waist. That bumper is too real, it's dangerous. I wanna mind. Push it back, push it, push it, push it back. And let me deal with that. Let me deal with that. Man, you stick down there. Man, you stick down there. Man, you stick down there. Bend over. You know forward, you know lend. Bend over. You better than.
Feel you looking good here for nothing, and it seems like you don't really know what you have. Then let me tell you something. You feel you have all the bottom for nothing, and you feel you looking good here for nothing, and it seems like you don't really know what you have. Then let me tell you something. Girl, show up.
Tick, 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 girl, stick. Tick, 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 girl, stick. Talk, tick, talk, tick, talk, tick, talk, tick. Tick, 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 girl, stick. Tick, 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 girl, stick. Girl, bend over, girl, bend over, girl, bend over, girl, bend over. I take a tick, 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 girl, stick. Tick, 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 girl, bag of long talking. Do something, do something, do something, do something. Uno do something, do something. And a bag of long talking. Feet no, just do something, do something, do something, do something. Uno do something, do something.
Tell someone to know themselves.
Yeah, what I think about Jamaica Carnival right now, it lit as fuck. Trinidad, we come from straight and we gain it every year. Every year. I'll take all family, we outside. Bang!
Say hi.
Hey.
Now tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I hope you enjoyed the vlog.
I hope you enjoyed the vlog.
The vlog, right.
The vlog.
Wave. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.